क्लैप कीजिए सर, वो देख लो। ठीक है।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I begin in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable guests, esteemed teachers and cherished participants, welcome to Unique English School's Mathematics Exhibition, where the beauty of numbers and magic of equations come to life. Today on 22nd day of December, Maths Day is celebrated in honor of the renowned Indian mathematician Srinivasan Ramanujan, who was born on this day in 1887. Ramanujan made significant contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continuous fraction. This day is observed to recognize his exceptional work and to promote the importance of mathematics in education and research. So today our school transformed into a hub of creativity and intellect as our students showcase their innovative projects and discoveries in the realm of mathematics. But first I would like to call Munazza for Qiraat of Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سورة فاتحة الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Before we begin exploration and engage with the exhibits, I extend a warm floral welcome to each one of our guests gathered here today. I would like to call Fardeen sir to welcome Dr. Zakir Khan with a bouquet. Now I would like to call Athar Qadri sir to welcome Dr. Fahim Kidwai sir. Now I would like to call Miss Archana Vaidya to welcome our principal Humaira Rahat ma'am. Now I would like to call Athar Qadri sir again to welcome Zishan sir. Iman sir. Come here and welcome our guest and introduce our guest to us.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and very good morning one and all present here. As you know that today we are gathered here on account of the National Maths Day. I just want to start my words with the thought that you don't have to be a mathematician to feel the beauty of the words or the numbers. Or maths is a single subject which comes in your life, you are learning or not. If you want to learn other subjects, you have to be studied that. But maths is a subject which ultimately comes in a life, or without it we cannot imagine our life. Or you just take an example of a single day of your life. When you start waking up, you just have to see the watch and find the which number is it in the watch, isn't it now? So we start our day with the numbers or the calculation. We cannot do the shopping even when if you don't have a mathematics in your mind. So it is the importance of the mathematics, or our tiny talents are also showing about the maths. But I am feeling very honored to have a guest of honor as a Dr. Zakir Khan sir, who is with us in today's event. Thank you so much sir for coming here and accepting our invitation. I want to give an introduction about the Zakir Khan sir, Dr. Zakir Khan sir. Sir is presently working as an assistant professor in a physics department of VMB College. Sir has completed his schooling from the Nagarpalika School, Morshi. Sir is science graduate, BSc in mathematics from Morshi. Sir completed his post-graduation MSc in physics from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Sir is also have a B.Ed degree with the stream physics and mathematics from Yatmal. Sir completed his doctorate PhD in the material science from Amravati University. Sir has qualified the national level examination NET, National Eligibility Test for the lecturership in the Urdu and Arab culture. Also has qualified the SET, State Level Eligibility Test for the lecturership in physics. Sir is a soft skill trainer authorized by Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Also working as a PG teacher in the junior college as well as Navodaya Vidyalaya and PhD supervisor guide in the physics department of the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. And we are blessed to have such a personality with us. I am feeling very honored that sir is also my teacher and mentor, and it is a point which giving me the immense pleasure. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here and accepting our invitation. Sir, I request you to please share your ideas or few words with our students.
क्या पता
मैडम, थैंक यू. Dr. Prem Kilwai sir, and Mera madam, sir, and other teachers, and dear students. Today is a great day because we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. It is the day announced by Indian government in 2012 on the birth anniversary, 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Srinivas Ramanujan. He was a great man. He has taken lot of efforts in the field of mathematics. While entering in this room, I got excited to see your model. You have taken lot of efforts to make this model. Okay? So first of all, I congratulate to all of you. Number does not mean that you should come first or our model should be second or third. It is immaterial. You have taken the efforts to make this model. Some of your family members also help you. Some of your friends also help you. It is just a practice. It is just a practice. You are in primary school now, then you will go for higher secondary school, then junior college, then senior college. You will do your education like PhD. Some of you may be good doctor, just like your Dr. Prem Kilwai. Some of you should be very good teacher, just like your ma'am, Mera ma'am. Okay? So it is just a beginning. It is just a beginning. You should keep continue the efforts. आपको क्या करना है? अभी जो आपने ये मॉडल बनाया है, यहाँ पर नहीं रुकना है. भले हमको नंबर मिले या ना मिले, आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे मॉडल बनाते रहना है और इसको सर्च करते रहना है. अगर आपने ये नहीं बनाया होगा, घर में किसी ने बना के आपको दिया होगा, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी बनाओगे तो कोशिश करना कि हम खुद बनाएं. करोगे इंशाल्लाह. चलो, सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. अभी हम आएंगे आपके पास, आपसे मॉडल के बारे में पूछेंगे. आपको मॉडल को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना है. डरना नहीं है. डरोगे क्या? इतना अच्छा बनाए तो आपको बताते आना चाहिए. ठीक है? एक एक सेंटेंस जैसा भी आप बोल सकते हैं, आपका नाम बता के उसको एक्सप्लेन करोगे. चलो, थैंक यू.
students have shown promise with these models and showed their passion and hard work in the field of maths. As this program come to an end, I will have to call Mavish Miss to give a vote of thanks.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Good afternoon. It has been such an honor to be a part of this wonderful event. On behalf of our organization, I, Ms. Mavish Khan and Anas sir, would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests for their valuable presence. Sincere thanks to our honorable directors of Unique English School. I express my gratitude to respected HM ma'am. I also express my gratitude to our today's participants for their wonderful exhibits and their efforts that they have made a really great efforts to make this event happen. Without whom today's event would be incomplete. Thank you so much. Now we will make our exhibition over here. Okay.